how to make carrot fries.
These beauties. Yeah, this funky one right here is cool. Whoa, jeez.
The ingredients that you'll need are super easy. Some carrots that my mom already cut up, olive oil, and spices of your preference. We are sticking with salt and pepper. The supplies that you'll need are also very easy. Just a bowl and a baking sheet. Our oven is set to 400 degrees, and now we're gonna get our carrots ready to get in the oven. So the first step that you're gonna do, I'm gonna put carrots in the bowl. So make sure you have very clean hands for this step. So remove all the carrots in here. Okay. Now we're going to take your olive oil, move away, olive oil, and a little bit. So you just want to lightly coat your fries with olive oil. I'm going to start with that. I'm going to mix it up. Again, make sure you have clean hands. And I think that's enough olive oil. So next we're going to add our salt and pepper. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. I'm just going to start with a little bit, and if I need more, I can add more. Okay. Again, if you have clean hands, and mix up. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna pour them evenly on the baking sheet. So I'm gonna pour those all onto the baking sheet, and I'm just gonna spread these out. And I think that is almost time to put them in the oven. You're gonna put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and check them halfway through. If you're not comfortable putting them in the oven by yourself, ask a parent to help you. Okay, so now it's time to pull the carrots out of the oven. And like I said before, if you're not comfortable bringing them out or putting them in the oven, ask a parent for help. Now, I'm gonna use spatula to flip them over. You can kind of just go like this and then just like move them around and it should get flipped over. Now that they're evenly spaced out, I'm gonna put them back in the oven. We're going to put them back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. Just keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Okay, so our timer just went off and it's time to pull our carrot fries out of the oven. We're going to let them cool down, and then we're going to transfer them to a plate so we can eat them. Now that our carrot fries are out of the oven, it's time to enjoy. Carrot fries are great as a side dish or just as a snack, and they're even great with ketchup, just like regular French fries.